Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add trending TikTok subtitle style in CapCut. These subtitles make your videos more engaging and easier to follow. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut and tap a new project. Then here, select the video that you want to edit and tap it and to add it to the timeline. Then tap text at the bottom and choose auto captions and select the original sound and tap Start and let the CapCut automatically generate subtitles. And once the captions are generated, tap on any subtitle to open the Style panel. Then choose a trending TikTok look. You can click bold text plus colored outline or use highlight effects or add shadows or strokes for pop-up text. And you can customize for trends. Change the font into pick a bold fonts or adjust the size and position, add emoji or icons inside the text to match the TikTok trends. And here can also animate the subtitles. Just click the animation and popular TikTok styles use pop-up, bounce, or typewriter. And apply each option for a dynamic look. And once you're satisfied, tap export in the top right and save with a high resolution. And that's it. You know how to add a trending TikTok subtitle style in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.